MCQ English Grammar, Chapter Noun. Ashoka was a great king. Here, Ashoka is and the right answer is a proper noun. Question number 2. She gifted me a bouquet. Here, bouquet is an example of collective noun. Question number 3. Kindness is an example of abstract noun. Which noun below is a common noun? Boy. Which noun below is an uncountable noun? Salt. Which noun below is a collective noun? Pack. Which noun below is a collective noun? Army. He has an exam on Friday. Here, Friday is an example of proper noun. Which noun below is a proper noun? Darjeeling.